Voyager 1 captured the sounds of interstellar space. The plasma wave instrument on board NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft recorded vibrations from dense plasma, also known as ionized gas, deep in interstellar space. The instrument detected these plasma vibrations on two different occasions. The first recording happened between October and November 2012. The second recording was captured between April and May 2013. These sounds represent the environment beyond our solar system, the space between the stars. Scientists noticed that each occurrence involved a rising tone. The dashed line indicates that the rising tones follow the same slope. This means a continuously increasing density. The graphic shows the frequency of the waves, which indicates the density of the plasma. Colors indicate the intensity of the waves, or how loud they are. Red indicates the loudest waves and blue indicates the weakest.